So today we will discuss about the diversity among plants and with the new classification, right? Basically, these plants are divided into two groups: bryophyta and tracheophyta, right? Basically, this bryophyta are non-vascular plants, right? And this bryophyta are again divided into three groups: hepticopsida. The first is hepticopsida, right? Which are also known as liverworts, and they have a class known as Hepaticaceae. Class known as Hepaticaceae. Hepaticaceae. Right. Second is Anthocopsida. Anthocopsida, which are known as hornworts, right? And their class is basically Anthraceae. Anthraceae, right? And third is basically Bryopsida. Right, and these are known as mosses, and their class is known as Musci. Right, so this was a classification of bryophyta, which are non-vascular plants, right? So now we will discuss about this tracheophyta. Tracheophyta. These are vascular plants. Okay, vascular means they have xylem and phloem. Okay, if you don't know it, xylem and phloem, right? Basically, they are divided into two classes, two types. First is spermatophytes, which means these are seed bearing. These are seed bearing plants, right? They are further divided into two categories. The first is gymnosperm. Second is angiosperm. Right, we know that gymnosperms means that they don't have flower, they have naked seed, right? And angiosperm means they have flower and their seed is covered by the ovary, right? And this angiosperm is further divided into monocotyledon and dicotyledon, and we have discussed this thing in our old classification, right? Now second is non-spermatophytes. Non-spermatophytes, basically they are non-seed bearing. These are non-seed bearing. Like it is divided into four classes, right? First is basically Lycopsida. Second is basically Sphenopsida. Third is basically we have Ctenopsida. And fourth is basically Psilocyda. right? So I hope this is clear to you. This was a classification of this was basically a new classification, and this is the diversity among plants. So I hope this is clear to you. If you have any kind of queries, you can ask me in the comment section. We'll be very glad to answer